Welcome to the Rochester Sensors 880 Cellular Radar Invasive Installation Guide. The 880 Cellular Radar Kit contains activation magnet, invasive rubber seal, non-invasive adapter, non-invasive mounting O-ring, non-invasive adhesive pad. The 880 device has a 2-inch BSP threaded opening to allow it to be screwed onto an existing 2-inch opening of a tank. The O-ring supplied in the product pack should be used to ensure a watertight seal. The sensor must sit in a vertical position on top of the tank and be fitted such that the sensor has a clear path to the tank contents. Position it so that there are no internal obstructions. Locate a suitably positioned threaded opening on the top of the tank to hold the sensor. Ensure that the gasket is placed and that the sensor is screwed correctly into the tank. Once the sensor is now installed on a tank, the next steps will involve waking the sensor from dormant mode and starting communications and making measurements. Activation. A magnet is supplied with the device to activate and start cell module communications with the internal Bluetooth communication module. The magnet is held over the Rochester Sensors logo hotspot for approximately 2 seconds, until a double beep repeating approximately every second is heard from the internal beeper. The magnet is then removed. Thank you. If you have any questions, please contact sales@rochestersensors.com.